Did you know that you can make money while you walk? Let me show you some apps.
The first app is Sweatcoin. You get paid to walk both indoors and outdoors. You can earn sweat coins for various rewards such as iPhones, yoga classes, Apple Watches, and more. The next app is Achievement. This is a favorite of mine. You actually don't get just paid to walk. You can also earn rewards for other activities as well, such as running, swimming, biking, and even sleeping, as long as you have it connected to an app for that. Think about how much money you could make training for an Ironman. I trained for a half Ironman a couple of years ago. Wish I knew about this app then. The next one is StepBet. This one is a little risky. Once you download, you can connect it to your health and fitness apps. Then you set a goal for yourself and bet on it. Generally, it costs around $40 per game.
If you're willing to take risks and you want to earn a little extra money, be sure to click on the top link in my bio to see what I'm doing.